Yo, how's it going, everybody? It's me again, BadruTuber. Back at it again with another video. Don't mind my voice for today, okay? I think I'm having a flu or something because my whole nose is blocked. Yeah, my voice is different today, so I'm sick. Don't mind my voice. But anyways, today I'm alone in my home and my little brother, so we got nobody else to cook lunch for us today, so we're gonna make ourselves a Somali lunch. And I thought, why not, make a video about it? Why not teach the young kids that are watching how to make Somali lunch? I'm gonna show you today how to make Somali lunch, okay? Guess what I'm gonna make today? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to guess, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's gonna either be basto or bris, man. What else do you think I'd make, man? But anyways, we're gonna make basto and flipping sugo or maraq, or I don't even know what you guys call it, sugo maraq, anything to eat with the basto. Let's go! عشان أنا شكوت نكان شكلا. أنت محتاجها. كم سنة؟ بيها كمان. It's gonna take 15 minutes to boil. مرقة حلوة هي صل كأتكوريج مرقة سلة كلها basasha saana loo jaray hore iyo gadaal iyo barlo sida loo jaray saafina the professional way ama saam u qabanaysa saan dio qofta la askari saana kadib see, now the onion is done. Now we're gonna cut up the potatoes. It's the same procedure. Onions, potatoes, and tomatoes. Now we're just gonna have to wait for 10 to 20 minutes till the water boils. Until then, I'm just gonna drink my tea in it. I'm not gonna lie, my brother does most of it, so I don't really know how to cook, how to make soup, but my brother is gonna help me with it, He's my little brother, and he's better than me at cooking than I am. Embarrassing, I know. Anyways, see you guys in the next clip. 10 minutes later, the water boiled. We're gonna add this. There you need to, spread the pasta around. I almost got burned. Flipping out. Sheesh. Right, we're gonna add the tomatoes and we're gonna wait for 5 more minutes. Bro, I'm so flipping hungry, man. I keep forgetting to drink my tea, bro. I didn't even eat anything, man. I just woke up and this is the only fasting I'm eating for today. انت راح اكل سيناء كذا تروح تصعد. Guys, did you notice I've got my name on the t-shirt? BadruTuber. Hey. I swear I'm not egotistical. My brother said this to me. So don't go ham on the comments. Now we're gonna add this. And you need to wait for 5 more minutes. It's all about waiting, man. It's all about patience when you make it. That's what I taught God around me. He's never grateful, he's never information thing. Hey, we're cool. But everyone's saying I'm not a tall guy. I'm showing it to you today. The wall is like 3 3 meters. So I'm like 2/3 of the wall. I'm more than 2/3 of the wall. So that means I'm 1.5 meters. Not really. I'm like 2 meters long. So don't ever tell me I'm not tall. Okay, the 10 minutes is over. The pasta is cooked. Good. You need to shake the pasta so it can dry up. See, I'm doing it the professional way. I don't know why this is in the way. Hold on. Yeah. So we're gonna add a bit of oil. I don't even know if you can see. So the pasta doesn't get stuck together. Nice. After it's fully cooked, we're gonna taste it. Looks nice. Now we're gonna add the tomato sauce to the sugo. I forgot to record but we're gonna add 2 of these. We're gonna add the tomatoes as well. Mix it up. It's kind of starting to look good. Gonna add some salt as well. And it's done. So it's done. We need to wait for 5 more minutes till everything's cooked up, the potatoes and everything, and we're done. And that's how easy it is to make pasta. Oh, the weather looks nice today. The sky is blue. No flipping clouds whatsoever. Let's go. Bro, this year has been it's been my most inactive year of all time. I barely did anything. Wallahi. And it's my, least active year on YouTube as well. So it's crazy. I barely did anything in real life and on YouTube as well. So I'm just gonna, keep making these little vlogs and cooking videos till I get, till this little brain comes up with a banger video idea. Then we can go to 10,000, 20,000. So yeah, I think we're done with making and I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I'm not gonna eat it now, but we're gonna do a spicy pasta challenge with my little brother. So we're gonna see you after everything is cooked. And this is the final result. Just a basic pasta with sugo and my drink. Alright, now let's taste it now. It's all about the taste, bro. I don't even know how it tastes. First time tasting it. I'm not gonna fake my reaction. If it's not good, I'm gonna tell you. Bismillah. Yeah, it's good. Wallahi, it's good. Bro, I made it. I cooked it, okay? It's always gonna taste good in my mind. So I don't even know. But anyways, that's the end of the video. It'd be funny if as soon as I stop recording the video, trash this in the bin. Bro, that would be funny. But hey, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more cooking videos. It's your chef BadruTuber here, the best chef in the world. Yeah, let's go. Follow my socials in the description. So my Instagram is here, my flipping, what else? Snapchat maybe. They're all the same tag, so it doesn't really matter. Follow my TikTok if you want to. My spam TikTok if you want to. So yeah, bye. Take care. Like and subscribe. Road to 5,000. Bye.